Welcome back to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on this early afternoon, mid-May, late spring, cloudy with sun trying to peek out. Everyone's favorite Dogecoin, right? And everybody bought into the hype last night up here. And if you bought in up there last night expecting an immediate this, we told you here, if you check our video that we posted from 4 days ago on May 6th about an emergency alert Doge Saturday Night Live update and what we expected. And what we expected played out beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. All these people that told you to buy and as you know, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing was one of the only people back then. And you can see this is a flashback video from back in May of last year, just after the Saturday Night Live flush, where Vincenzo was the only guy that wasn't promoting buying leading up to that, that told all of you to sell. And this is more proof that we are the most trusted, independent source of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology breaking news out there, because we call the big flush and it went down 44%. You can see right there where that line is, the big red. That was the Saturday Night Live flush. And we were the only company out there telling you not to buy, that it was a big hype train and it was going to flush. And this is more proof, the power of Vincenzo. Look at where these targets were, 22, 23 cents as we continue to watch. We're going to see an immediate 50%, 100% move as soon as Elon Musk took the stage on Saturday Night Live. You were shafted, heisted, and hosed by the same people that infiltrated the Federal Reserve, the U.S. government, and the world monetary and fiscal policy that is crippling this system. You guys were had by them, because if you would have bought in up there, when we warned against that, we warned of a target down here. I believe if you check our video that I posted last night as a flashback video, the original video from the third, I believe when we were over here, we were saying our target was right there. We thought we would do it over here a few days earlier. We were on the 6th. We thought we would do it on the 6th or the 7th. We pumped a little bit more. Actually, we did it from here, and they got hammered, and it went down to 41%. Now, any loss in immediate somewhere. And this is what we had predicted. As the hype train was leading up, 69, 70, I think it hit 72 cents. My videos literally leading up told the whole audience, I was trying to live stream back then, that said as soon as Elon Musk and the Jeff Bezos took the stage with the little dog on his head, that the price would crash. There would be a liquidation of around 40 to 50%, and that's exactly what happened. Because Vincenzo's out ahead of this, diagnosed, sniffs out in the text this better than anybody out there, and here's more proof that Vincenzo's underneath targets were nailed. You got to check the video. I don't remember. I do a lot of videos. But if you bought in last night, you can see Elon Musk took the floor. You lost an immediate, because a lot of people are on leverage and a lot of people have limit orders and stop loss orders, and they got hammered, and it went down to 41%. Now, anybody telling you they're right about last night's Doge call, and it went down 41% during Saturday Night Live and through the rest of the night, they're just fucking lying to you, and they're selling you something. Because if they were right last night when telling you to buy here, right, the price would be sitting up here right now, and you'd be looking at 50, 60% gain. And that never happened, and we're now a year removed from that, and the price of Dogecoin and the Elon Musk and the next Doge and the next Bitcoin millionaire coin is sitting at 11 cents. You guys are fleece heisted and shysted to a very extreme degree, and all of you guys that bought into this, that were listening to me back then and are still listening, and you're not members and supporting the channel as Jabroni Killers, you need to look at yourself in the mirror and go, what am I doing? How am I doing this to myself? I was telling you this price was going back down to a penny back then. Now we're at 11 cents. Yes, there's going to be pumps. Maybe back to 20 cents soon, but when are you going to get on board that Vincenzo is not a fleece heister and shyster like all the rest of these charlatans and hustlers that control the world's reserve currency in the world's monetary and fiscal policy and manipulate the markets to beat down the retail investor. And they've orchestrated, like I've told you, orchestrated and executed it flawlessly. And they're fleece heisting and shysting you because you all bought in on this nonsense, right? You let the criminal gangsters, you let the market manipulators and the forces that be and the powers above control your emotions and get you liquidated. And you were in here buying at 60, 70, 65, 58 cents, thinking by now a year removed, you would be north of 70 cents, 72 cents. Elon Musk in the Saturday Night Live. But the powers that are higher and stronger than you, that manipulate the market, that control the Federal Reserve, that manipulate the stock market, that manipulate the currency markets, the gold and silver bullion market, those forces, those criminal gangsters are smarter than you, and you need to get on top of this and become members of Jabroni Killers because I helped you sidestep and audible this as I diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected 69 and a half steps ahead of the competition. By far, by none, we are the most trusted source of information and blockchain breaking news technology and coin updates of an unbiased, sidestepping and out of the box and takes our emotions out of the coins and gives you this bottom line technical analysis that you can count on and trust. And if you listen to me back 10 months, 11 months ago, you wouldn't be down 90% right now. You would have sold into the rally and took your profits.
The exact fucking opposite happened last night. And when you like, subscribe, and share these videos, you get emergency updates like last night where we showed you what was going to happen and then it happened to a T. And then we made another emergency video during that and we said it could pump after. And during that video, self forming, we had the first part of the night.
And look at this. This was a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern that I diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected when the head was not even formed yet. It was just starting to form the head. You can see the left side of the screen. You got the left shoulder. The middle, where the arrows are being pointed down, talking to now in blue or the green, is the head. And then you can see we formed the right shoulder. The neckline was around 20 cents, and that's where this target was. And then on a breakdown of the head and shoulders, it brought up below a penny.
And like we see our pattern, you got to hump up, and then we're going to come back down to the neckline.
See that? There's your neckline, 21 to 24 cents when the price was at 55 cents. And we were making these videos the week leading up when the price was at 50 cents and rising to 70 or 68. And we were showing you it was a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. And now 11 months later, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, like we were telling you back then, like we were telling you today, like we were telling you now, we're the best in the business on how we call long-term forecasts, and you need to become members of Jabroni Killers because nobody else diagnosed this out better. They were all on the hype train, and this targeted move is fulfilled, and we are down now at 11 cents. Like Vincenzo told you, and you need to get on board, or you're going to continue to get fleece heisted and shysted to an extreme degree.
Just pay very close attention. This is a very fluent situation that changes by the minute. But we are standing firm with our probability-based, one-of-a-kind, state-of-the-art price predicting computer model forecast. And we feel confident that this is where we're going. We didn't tell anybody to buy here or here at this office because we felt that the risk to reward was too high leading into a Saturday.
And look at that arrow. It's at 9.5 cents is your targeted move out of the breakdown of that beautiful head and shoulders topping reversal pattern that was put out in May of last year. And look at that. It played out beautifully, 9 cents. And that 9-cent target hit last week. And now we're sitting at 11.5 to 12 cents. You show me somebody that's got better technical analysis. Like I told you back then, a state-of-the-art, company-made, probability-based trading alert and technical analysis. I mean, you couldn't have got any better than this. I mean, nobody should have lost money in Dogecoin. I gave you the fucking playbook, and you just didn't pay attention. This is proof right here.
Night Live, which had all the classic symptoms and things of a local top in this coin. And we're not saying the coin's dead. We're not saying the coin's going to... There's our little buddy over there. Remember him? He's the guy that shot everyone on Saturday Night Live last night. We're not saying this coin's dead. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notifications for these emergency updates. Tomorrow will be our first and show Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investo premiere. Watch out for this guy. Watch out for him. He's still there. He ain't gone nowhere yet. Pay close attention. This was just a quick Doge update.
And once again, let's bring you to live and let's see what happened with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where we gave you that Dogecoin. Let's go to Dogecoin. Let's go to fucking Dogecoin and see how that head and shoulders topping reversal pattern played out over the last 12 months. Let's see if Vincenzo was right or Vincenzo was wrong. Remember that head and shoulders topping reversal pattern when we were up there circled? There's where we made the video. That video that we're watching, the price was right after this big flush, right before that. You were still up in here, right? You didn't, come on. You didn't have that flush yet. Let's see if we can do this in the weekly to see it better. We are in the weekly. The daily is going to be very hard on my laptop. Nope, there you go. See that head and shoulder? Look at, there it is. Remember that? Look at that. We're going to delete that now, but we'll put it back. Remember that head and shoulders this video just showed you? Left shoulder, hook. Right? This is that one-of-a-kind probability-based technical analysis. Head, right shoulder, huh, right? Then we took our, from the top of the head to the neckline to the point of the breakout to the targeted move of 8.5 cents. And look at where the price is. We wicked down to slightly below 10 cents, almost completely fulfilled this targeted move. And if you would have paid attention to Vincenzo, you wouldn't have got fleece heisted and shysted. This is more proof that I am not a charlatan, that Vincenzo is out of the competition and is a true man of the people. Yes, you, the people, where I give you unbiased technical analysis. They all told you Elon Musk was going way up here by now. It could have went up here and corrected, but this coin should be way up there right now. It's not. My head and shoulders topping reversal pattern based on my probability-based, company-made computer software price forecasting system hit this perfectly. It hit the targeted move. You need to be with Vincenzo because these fleece heisters and shysters that are still talking to Doge, it was supposed to be way up here by now. $1.50, $2, because it was supposed to go way north of $1 that night. We said, nope, it's going down there. Took a lot of slack. You're seeing the proof is in the pudding, and more of these videos are going to come out from my predictions from 1 year ago, as it's the 1 year anniversary of Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love, peace and love.